Today we have a treat for you. We are talking location, location, location. Where are we?
We are in Eastgate in West Garden Grove, California on a beautiful day in front of a beautiful home. Can't wait to show it to you.
5521 Holland Avenue. We are adjacent to Eastgate Park in this awesome neighborhood who loves the 4th of July. We have a low maintenance artificial turf, this Lido floor plan. We're so excited for you to come take a look.
Come on in. On this oversized lot, it is perfect for either an ADU, to put in a pool, or just to sit here and relax. I'll give you an hour to stop doing that.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video and we'd love to have you as our neighbor. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye for now.